Good morning, guys! Today is, di ko na alam actually kung ano yung araw. Sunday, babe? Yeah, Sunday. Basa medyo yung mukha ko kasi nag-spray ako ng Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Malapit na talaga siya maubos. So, next nito is yung Morphe natin, yung gagamitin natin. But I'm ready. We're going to Citadel today, guys. It's an outlet na, sobrang sale daw. So, punta tayo dun. I did my Drunk Blush again. So, I used the same tint from yesterday. The Dear Darling tint. Available to sa YesStyle, guys. If you're interested, I'll leave the link below. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. I have it on my lips as well. So, sobrang easy lang niya. And, hindi siya kagaya nung unang, ano ba yung unang lip tint na ginamit ko sa mukha ko na nag-fail? But yeah, this one is easy to blend sa mukha. So, perfect siya pang drunk blush. Meron akong code if you're interested sa YesStyle to get 10% off of your order. Kung gusto nyo na lang naman. What? No, they can't see you. I'm ready by when you are. Ooh, perfect. My video's uploaded as well. Yes. Thank you, babe. Magbubuk ako ng Lyft, guys, or Uber. Check ko kung asan yung mas mura. So, yun na yung ginagawa namin, Lyft or Uber. Last night, nag-Lyft kami kasi it was just a couple cents cheaper. But at least, gusto din namin kasi itry yung Lyft. So, check natin. We got this voucher sa Vegas. So, someone was handing out vouchers. And, like, may mga tao kasi dun, guys, na nag-hand out ng yung mga ganito, pero may mga babae. Ride credit up to $20. I hope it's not like a new sign-up credit, babe. Alright, nakabook na kami ng Lyft, guys. 6 minutes away. Same lang naman yung Lyft at saka yung Uber, $27. Hindi namin nagamit kasi for new users lang pala to. Hinand out to ni Kuya dun. Okay, wala na yan. We can't use that. It's for new users only. We should have used it like the first Lyft ride. It's alright. Yung outfit ko is very simple outfit lang para madalian mag-shopping ba. So, para dire-diretso pag-try ba. So, tanggalin lang to. Try na agad ng mga damit. And then, magsusot lang din ako ng chinelas today. Pag dire-diretso try ng sapatos. At diba, shopping day talaga. But first, coffee. Dito na kami, guys. Ang laki pala dito. Hindi ito yung na-expect ko. Pero this is way better than I expected.
Oh, the shopping center?
Yeah. I thought it's gonna be like Harbour Town. It's way bigger than Harbour Town, guys. Look. It's massive. Sorry?
I don't know if it's way bigger.
It is way bigger.
Because they've got the car park in the middle, that's why you think it's bigger.
Yeah, but like, look. From way out there to here. That's all shops, babe.
Yeah, it is.
Kain muna tayo, guys. Panda Express kami. I got the bowl. Merong rice at saka kung pao chicken. And then Dan got the plate. Meron siyang rice at saka beef at saka chicken. Yung, in order ko sa Starbucks is just the latte, guys. Si Dan nag-order ng shake. Galing Jamba Juice. Is that the peanut butter and chocolate shake?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't like it. Dito kami sa mainit kasi malamig, guys. Sana nag-jacket ako. Sus, pa-dress pa. First stop natin, guys, Loft. Nandito ako sa office wear na area. Tingnan nyo to. Buy one, get one free. And then doon may 40% off. Kaya lang malaki pa din sa akin. This is 00 pero malaki pa din siya sa akin. But feels really nice. Like additional 40% off. Dito tayo, guys. Like additional 15% off. And gusto ko na ginagawa nila to. Yung ganito, may extra small sinaseparate nila ba para alam ko exactly saan ako magtitingin. Lakad-lakad na kami, guys. Para talaga siyang Harbour Town pala. Pero mas malaki. And mas mura. Mas mura dito. Do you wanna go visit Skechers, ba?
No.
No? Nagka 50% off at Skechers. Nagpunta kami sa Napunta na kami sa Old Navy. Wala akong nakita. Sabi ni doon, ang pula daw ng cheeks ko na na-conscious tuloy ako. Sabi niya, para daw akong tomato. Oh, Guess is there, babe. Meron kanina G by Guess. Hindi ka familiar. Ano yun? Do you wanna come here? US Polo? Tingnan mo, up to 70% off. Grabe yung sale dito, guys. In fairness naman talaga, nakakaubos to ng sweldo. Charot. Mauubos sweldo natin dito, babe. Pasok tayo sa Guess, guys. Ang laki. Entire store up to 50% off. So, up to. Tingnan natin kung may maganda dito. Take an additional 30% off yung handbags, guys. So, like, let's say $69.99. Take additional 30% off. Gusto ko sana bumili para kay mama. Wala ako nagustuhan sa Guess, guys. So, wale. Yung nabili namin so far is from Banana Republic. Is that from Banana Republic? Yeah, isa pa lang, guys. Tapos, feeling ko halfway na kami. Dito kami sa DKNY naman, guys. Mas ano siya, mas okay tingnan. I mean, hindi naman siguro. I think depende lang sa tao. Pero mas gusto ko yung mga bags nila kaysa sa Guess. And sa napansin ko din sa presyo, mas mahal siya kaysa sa Guess. Para kay mama, sana ba? Oh, look, cute to, oh. Maliit. Kaya lang, gusto niya malaking wallet. Hindi pa kami nakapunta sa Michael Kors at saka Kate Spade. So, hindi ako masyadong, worried. Worried. Rocky Mountain. Andito si Dan, guys. That is so you, babe. Do you want a picture? Ang laki. Okay, sana tayo pupunta, babe. Boss?
Yeah, go here, boss.
Char. Sige, let's go. And my Coach din. Okay. Coach, guys. Ang laki ng Coach. And then it says 50 to 70% of everything. Oh my goodness. Sana meron tayong mabili dito. Guys, gagagaling lang namin ng Coach. Wala pa akong binili kasi sabi nila, tingin-tingin ka muna sa iba. Baka may magustuhan ka. Tapos, bilhin mo. Punta kami Ferla, Michael Kors. Dito kami sa Michael Kors, guys. To get in, may linya. As in, grabe. Uy, ano muna tayo, babe? Calvin Klein, maybe? I don't know.
Sure?
Kaya pala walang tao sa Ferla kasi yung mga nila, sale, hindi ganun ka-sale. Tapos, nandito lahat sa Michael Kors. Dito kami sa Tommy Hilfiger, guys. Naka-sale din. 40% off, 40% off, 60, 50, 50. Yung bag, 50% off. Maganda to. Ito ba? Pag nagpunta ka ng gym. Hindi naman ako pupunta ng gym. Dito kami sa Kate Spade, guys. Linya din. Linya din, guys. Dito kami sa Michael Kors, guys. It's crazy. So, 60% off. Yung iba, 70%. Like, itong mga to, 70% sila. And then, pagpasok mo, guys, bibigyan ka nila ng ganito. So, extra 25% off. Diba, bongga ang sale. Grabe. Itong bag na to, guys, 60% off. Para kay mama, sana ba? Okay, no? Yeah, I think it looks good, babe. Yan. Okay, yan. Getting that. H&M tayo, guys. Super sale daw, 80% off. So, tingnan natin. Dito na kami, guys, sa apartment. Tingnan nyo. I'm so excited. Thank you.
Cool. Thanks, man. Thank you. Dirty, babe. It's nice, yeah.
Mag-haul ako, guys, pero siguro bukas na kasi punta kami Lakers. Noon kami ng Lakers agad-agad. Okay, now.
Show me your bags.
Huh?
The thumbnail, babe.
Just getting ready, guys. Ulit, labas kami. Traffic kasi ng slight, so kailangan maaga kami umalis. Just in case ba, mas taktas sa traffic. What time will the game start, babe?
6:30.
6:30. Malamig din guys, kaya naka-coat tayo ngayon. And suot ko yung heat tech na nabili ko sa Uniqlo dun sa New York. Yeah, I'm just wearing jeans at saka my Converse. Sa Citadel outlet pala guys, sobrang ganda niya. As in, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung shopping dun guys. As in, kung mahilig kayo mag-shopping and mahilig kayo sa mga deals gaya ko, and nandito kayo or pupunta kayo ng LA, I highly recommend pumunta kayo sa Citadel outlets. Originally, wala talaga siya sa plano namin. Someone just recommended it. So, sobrang thank you. Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan niya. Pero sobrang thank you sa nag-recommend. Sinabi ko kay Dan na gusto kong pumunta doon. Inad niya sa itinerary namin. Malayo siya guys. From hotel, nandito kami sa West Hollywood. From West Hollywood to Citadel, it takes, kung walang traffic, mga 30 to 40 minutes. Kung merong traffic, obviously, it's gonna be longer than that. Yung Uber pala, it is mga $27, $28. So, papunta dun $27, papunta dito, pabalik $28. So, yun, you have to spend quite a bit. Especially if you're... Why? Do you have to walk past?
Yeah.
That's fine, just
Go
go.
past?
Okay, go walk. Kung malayo kayo dun sa Citadel, mahal talaga yung Uber. Yung iba kasi may sasakyan naman, so okay lang. Okay, go. And then, siguro hindi siya ganito kapag weekdays. Kasi ngayon, Sunday, kaninang umaga, hindi pa siya ganun ka-busy. Pero nung dumating na nung noon at saka afternoon, sobrang naging busy na siya, guys. Nakita nyo naman yung pila. And sobrang nagiging busy siya. Especially kapag nakapasok ka na, like Michael Kors, Kate Spade. Kasi ang daming tao. Ang dami, hindi naman sa like sobrang siksikan. Pero like, you know, like for example, sa wallet section, maraming tao dun. So, medyo siksikan ng konti. So, just to keep in mind, if you wanna go na hindi masyadong ganun kadaming tao, especially sa mga shops na yun. Like, early kami, diba? So, nung nagpunta kami ng coach, hindi pa siya ganun kadaming tao. Pero nung pabalik na kami, guys, palakad, pauwi, marami na siya, guys. Mahaba na yung pila. So, I think, hahaba talaga yung pila kapag hapon na. Kung ayaw niyo yung pila-pila, pumunta kayo ng umaga. Worth it talaga siya, guys. Yung mga deals. Naka-sale na kasi siya. And then, sasabihin pa nila, additional 20% off pa sa sale. But yeah, ipapakita ko siya sa inyo guys. Actually, bukas na video. Yan yung video, yung haul. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili ko. And yeah, kasi ngayon wala nang time. Like, aalis na kami pagkatapos ni Dan mambihis. Manonood kami ng Lakers! Sayang wala si Kobe. Ngayon nandito ako sa LA, wala naman si Kobe. Nakakaloka. Si Kobe lang naman yung gusto ko panoorin. Pero yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. Kasi itong sport na to, naiintindihan ko siya. So, you know, even hockey na hindi ko siya masyadong naintindihan, I enjoyed hockey kasi madali lang naman siya intindihin din once like nandun ka na. Football, American football, hindi ko talaga maintindihan yung American football. Siguro kasi sanay ako sa Aussie football na yun, naiintindihan ko yun yung Aussie football and I actually really enjoy that Aussie football. Yung American football, wala akong ka-idea kung ano nangyayari. Hockey was good. I know basketball is gonna be good, especially kapag nandun ka. Yeah. It's gonna be really good. At least alam ko kung ano yung i-cheer ko, diba? Kapag nakashoot siya, yay! Char! NBA na NBA yung aking asawa. Come here, babe. They're waiting for you, my love. We are all waiting for you.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Alright,
You look good!
Always good.
NBA! Who are we rooting for today?
Are you serious?
I know Lakers, but do we have a specific player?
Me.
No, you're not. We Don actually used to play basketball, guys, sa
I was a
school.
star.
He was a star daw.
I was a star.
No, actually, totoo yan. Sabi ng best friend niya, nung pamilya niya, na magaling daw siya mag-basketball noon. Ngayon, ano na?
The tickets are there.
Thank you, babe. How about now, babe? Can you still play?
I can.
No.
Not as good.
Not as good.
Not very good.
Naglaro siya dun sa Pilipinas. Na nagpunta kami sa amin. Natalo siya ng mga bata. Hirap na eh. Hindi na, ano na.
Kia ora, Eva back.
Okay. Here's my phone. Right here.
That's okay. Yeah.
So, Staples.
Staples Center.
Someone's really excited. Ang gusto ko lang naman, si Kobe naman lang ang gusto ko, babe. Si Kobe. Asan si Kobe?
See LeBron.
LeBron?
Can you see by the dawn's early light?
Ready, babe?
Forward is number 23, 6'8", 16th campaign from St. Vincent St. Mary's High School, LeBron James.
Dito na kami sa labas, guys. Shaquille O'Neal? May mga ano dito, guys. Rebulto. Marami pa dun. Tsaka ito. Number 33 si Kuya. May magandang Christmas tree dun, guys. Oh. Nagpunta si Dan kanina sa ano, sa shop. Bili siya ng hat para sa kanyang best friend. Sorry.
Boy, look at my boy up here.
Very cool. Where's Kobe? Is Kobe here?
Kobe's not here. He will be one day, but not today.
Wala si Kobe dito. Yeah, itong si Kobe. We're back, guys. Tatanggalin ko lang yung makeup ko, tapos mag-edit ako ng thumbnail. Hindi ako mag-edit ng video kasi sabi ni Dan, huwag kang mag-edit ng video. Maawa ka sa sarili mo. So, bukas na lang. Sabi niya kasi maaga kami uuwi bukas after Universal Studios. So, punta kami Universal Studio bukas, guys. And maaga daw kami darating. So, bukas ako mag-edit. Gusto ko yung pa-drunk blush ko. Kahit na siguro ayaw niyo yung drunk blush, gusto niyo lang mag-blush, lip tint lang, tapos lagay niyo dito. Oh, kasi nagsistay talaga siya hanggang gabi. Meron siyang crack. Ginanyan ko na lang siya, guys. Tapos kailangan ko itong ubusin this trip kasi hindi ko na ito madadala sa luggage ko. Hala, wala na akong pantanggal ng ano. Anyway, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Salamat for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy niyo yung video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to leave. Good night. Bye, guys. Yung haul bukas na. Bye.